Take it one day at a time, you matter lots.
Hey you, it's Charisma. Today I'm going to be speaking about this little guy. See it all over the internet, TikTok, Insta, Facebook ads, all over, literally everywhere I look. I found this thing. So I don't know much about it. We're gonna find out. I know it comes with a cord. I like it. USB cord. Just plug right in. Ding. And there's even a switch on the side. And bam. Ooh. We're gonna do a little photo shoot today and get some quick pics in, really quick. Little challenge for me here because don't want to rush the process, but just one outfit. Cool, calm, collected. Try out and see what the sunset lamp has to offer us. Because to me it looks like Wally, but it's gonna light up this lifetime. Golden hour at its finest. This is such a cool little prop that allows you to literally, with the flip of the switch, feel like you're at the beach, getting that golden hour glow in, and we're gonna see how this photo shoot turns out with just a few quick shots. All right, y'all, let's take some photos. We are finished. Wow. What a fun shoot. Would you agree? I think you would. Full of light, happiness, fun. And I learned a lot as well. You see, something cool about this light is that the closer you put your object to it, the more of a blur, which is like a softer edge, it gives into the look. But when you move your object back, it gets more defined. And so that's kind of what I used to guide me throughout my photo shoot. So I'd kind of sit back for different shadow looks. We did some close-in face looks. We kind of switched it all up, and it was nice to try things out in a different perspective and lighting, and being able to control it even physically yourself. This is so cool where you're able to do this alone at home. It doesn't take much. But, I always got my people to support, help me out. And pretty surprised by this. This was a fun shoot, full of lights. So I used different props, like, of course, this Hulk hand. Stop it. And I thought it was cool to kind of, to like have it right here. And we also used some feathers. I use my body. I think it's nice that we have this and we're able to like use it baby. And I think it's a great idea to have like a wine glass or a rose, or like use your props wisely, y'all. Put a hat on. I was gonna do bunny ears, but like I said, I was trying to keep this short, simple, and straight to the point. Try it out at home. This is great. You can even use this in your bedroom. Like, make yourself a rock star because you're a supermodel. I'm telling you, you are. So take advantage of this. Get your sunset lamp. Link in the bio. If you already have one, tell me what you like about it. If you liked any of the photos, which one was your favorite? Get yourself a sunset lamp if you don't already have one. If you do, send me some of your photos. I want to see. Tell me which ones were your favorite. Comment below. Make sure you share, subscribe, and check out my platform later. And until my next video, I'll see you guys on my other platforms. Keep taking things one day at a time. Bye.